Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
Open Settings and select Network and Internet to start changing hotspot options. Tap Hotspot and Tethering, and then choose Wi-Fi Hotspot to edit details. Look for security or password settings on this screen to change protection. If your Android supports it, set security to None or Open to remove the Wi-Fi password entirely. Save the hotspot settings and then toggle the hotspot on to broadcast without a password. Remind viewers that open hotspots allow anyone nearby to join and may expose data. On Samsung phones, open Settings and tap Connections to find Mobile Hotspot and Tethering. Tap Mobile Hotspot, then configure or allow connections to view security options and password fields. Many manufacturers include a security dropdown. Choose None if the phone allows an open hotspot. If the phone enforces WPA2 and disallows open networks, you cannot remove the Wi-Fi password on that device. In that case, disable the Wi-Fi hotspot and use USB or Bluetooth tethering as a secure alternative. On iPhone, Personal Hotspot requires a password and does not allow open Wi-Fi sharing. You can change the password, but you cannot leave it blank to remove protection. To share without a Wi-Fi password, connect your computer by USB or pair via Bluetooth and enable Personal Hotspot for that connection only. USB tethering uses the Lightning cable and requires Trust this computer confirmation on the phone. Always prefer a strong password or disable the hotspot when not in use to protect your device and data.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.